Ahoy there, captains! It's Captain Party Pants here with you once again. I noticed yesterday that there was a little lag. In my video, so I wasn't sure if... Yep. I don't know. Seems okay. I think the issue was I just needed to start my headset after the stream. Rookie stuff, you guys all know. Anyways. Oh, we already checked that out. Let's get that lifeblood in me, that old daily reward. Got the Battle of Leyte Gulf stuff going on in the store. That's pretty neat. Anyways, what do we want to do in low tiers? Let's do some low tier big guns. Why not? Let's do it. Wyoming. Cool. Come on, low tiers, let's do this. Nothing embarrassing going on behind me, I trust. A couple of cats sleeping around me. Straight. Wonderful. Look at this. I mean, we've got a carrier in the game, and that kind of, is whatever, but no destroyers to worry about. That's incredible. Good luck, everybody. Let's rocker forward. Look for citadels. Respond over here with an Omaha. Oof, could be good, could be bad. Ubari. Cool.
General quarters.
Gosh, look at how many turrets this girl has. If I somehow get a full salvo off and miss and whiff any shots entirely, like, we're just gonna uninstall. Goodness. I've been spotted, but that's no big deal. Let's smarten up our line here. This Omaha is smarting up their line as well, and I know why, because if they floated around in the Omaha for more than a game, they recognize its glass cannon-ness. Oh yeah, get that spotter fighter out, you know. Hello, you. Okay. We don't quite have all of the turrets, but we've got a few, and I think he's probably gonna, this Koenig, or maybe he's gonna want to turn out. I suspect they're gonna try to turn out and get behind this island. Yep. Maybe. They're gonna keep going in. They're gonna go out. Out it is. Let's see about finding a home. Did I overcook those badly? Yeah, I kind of did. Not good. But now I'm showing all my no-no bits to everyone on the bad guys team, so let's correct myself before I get wrecked myself. That was dumb. Yep. I think we've kind of bullied our way in here through A. Oh, you. Just in time for another full salvo. Let's go ahead and send it. Oh, baby. Please be there. Please be there. Deleted.
Enemy cruiser destroyed. Off to a great start.
Oh my gosh, that's fun. Okay. Woo. Okay. Let's continue that. Oh, that's Koenigsberg's coming back for a second run. Oh, oh my! Oh, come on, baby! Dude, oh, please reappear. Please reappear. Full stop. Full stop. There you are. Gonna beach to avoid me. Oh. Yep, there's the beaching. Well, let's see what happens. Yeah, not great. But now let's race around this island. Yeah, you got some big guns on you. Oh, Königsberg. Yep, stay away from my friend. That's what he's saying. Okay, I got 12 seconds to wait here. Gosh, that sucks that Yubari went down. Yeah. Contested. Please be there. All of them made it over. 2 more citadels. Oh, baby. Somebody stop me. Got the assist. You're welcome, Omaha. Where you at? Right there? Woo! What a game. Königsberg, I have taken 50K off of the cruisers on this flank. Yeah, let's do a harder turn because I bet that Königsberg's going to go down here before I even get another look at her. And the fight's going to happen here towards the center. Looks like I got some good teammates here. So we are going to kind of wrap this up, it seems. Oh, yeah, there you go. Get him, Emerald. Miss? There you go.
Our victory is
Whew, man, I'm tensed up. Got the old capture, nice. Looks like we might get a decent look at that carrier back there here. Let's get these guns starting to turn. How about that? Let's be intelligent about this. Because the next shot I take is going to be on a carrier, and I'm going to want it to make a highlight reel. If you know what I'm saying. Oof, New York, you're going to go down here in a hot sec. Oh man, some great games here today. Some great games here today. This is the first game. Oh my god, I'm counting all of the chickens. Consider them all counted. Karma's gonna put me in my place. There you are. Somewhere. You behind that island? Is there a little island right there between us? No, it's on the other side. I should be able to see you. Here in a second. Just blind fire because of the radar. Where did you go? Here. Oh. The anticipation is killing me. There you are, Ryan. And you're not moving either. Don't you do this to me, guys. This is gonna be a Hail Mary. Oh baby. Let's do that. Let's see about that. I got all of the turrets involved. All of them, and I only got 1 citadel. Oh well, that was still a ton of damage. Yeah, they're gonna go down here in a hot sec. So let's just refocus here on the Queen Mary. Wishful thinking with those torpedoes there, Emerald. Battle ended. We did a bunch of stuff. Hey, top of the class. Top of the class. That's not going to last. Didn't mean to rhyme there. Gosh. Some low tier Japanese torpedo sounds fun. Oh, I must have had a camo fall off on you. What should we do here? Something, I don't know, interesting. Battle of Jutland. I don't know if that fits. Assimilated. Royal Orange. It almost feels wrong. Sure. It almost seems wrong to put another country's camo on like that. Like the orange, I think, was the Dutch. Putting a Dutch, but I don't know. That's just my immersion. Me, that's just something I do for immersion for myself, I guess. Important to stay hydrated. What a game. That was fun. Oh my gosh. It just worked out perfectly. Shame I didn't get 2 dev strikes, that dev strike on that Omaha. And that Rhine, to be honest. Kind of sucked. Maybe I should have aimed closer to waterline, but I don't know. I just thought at this tier with the dispersion, just more center mass made more sense. But whatever. It's all RNG. Hotspot. Okay, there is one. Oh, God. I hate it when I'm the only destroyer on my team. That's so much pressure to stay afloat. And I'm spawned center, and there is a carrier. Okay. Well, good luck, everyone, but I'm mostly pointing that at myself. I'm not going to get cheeky with it. I'm going to go for island cover and B. If I get caught out closer to C without island cover and sunk right away, I'll uninstall. That's dumb. Oh. One of the best torpedo ranges at the tier. Hopefully we can do something all right with it. If I go all the way up this island line right here and then into the center, I feel like I'm going to end up being isolated, caught out. Because my friends here are still going to be positioning themselves behind whichever island they're going to sit behind. Most likely. So yeah, I think I go follow my I think that's the French cruiser, maybe their line. I'm gonna pop smoke so I'm not spotted like a buffoon right away. Come on, smoke. Yep, there I'm spotted. Fudge. Well, my smoke's not doing me much good now. Let's disengage that. Where are you at, buddy? Ooh, we got bad guy right here. Who's looking to be pretty sneaky. And I got 19 seconds left. Yep, that's engine boost. And look for that target. I'm looking at the mini map, of course. Last time the enemy destroyer was spotted, they were basically beside. Yep, right there. Let's keep them. Because I still haven't been spotted yet. Now I have. Isakazi. Pleasure doing business with you. Okay, they're hard turning, so it's difficult to know. Ooh. Gotcha. Yes. Ooh, I'm tensed up now, boys and girls, captains. Thank you for the support, guys. Ooh, Yahagi, you took one, didn't you? Just maybe. Launch that out there. Didn't even scratch that paint, did I? Yeah, I don't think I even did.
Engine boost 解除.
You lose one right there? Gosh, that's disappointing. Not good, not good. Probably doesn't know if I have any left. Give me speed. Give me strength. They're overpenning, so that's kind of nice. I think I missed those torpedoes, so that sucks. I wonder if I'm going to have 12 seconds here. Now I've been detected that way, and I got 5 seconds to wait. Oh, man. What the heck? That sucks. Of course, a salvo just before I launch the torpedoes. Of course. GG. That's a tough one. That's a tough one. We've lost this flank. Yeah, I don't want to commentate the rest of that. Feel a little salty about it. Anyways, what do we want to do next? Oh, baby. We do some low-tier carrier action. We don't get a lot of practice in the Hermes a lot. The carpet bombs, I think, is what the deal is. Oh, no. Oh, yes, perfect. The skin ran out. Gosh. This has been better luck for me, the holiday collection. I don't know. Pirate. Sounds about right. Let's do it. In the tier 3 Hermes. What a nice fall day. Couple of good games so far. probably going to lose that last battle, but the team will. But I feel like I played okay for my part. All right. Definitely room for improvement, but I probably could have stayed more cagey instead of engaging right away because my guns were, that was a rough shot. Kept at a distance and engaged with my short reload torpedoes. Probably would have been the better play there at the end. Yeah, probably. Hot spot. Okay, I've got 2 torpedo boats to look for. 2 destroyers to look for. Let's use up the fuel on these bad boys. Super slow torpedoes, and they don't even do a lot of damage if memory serves. But we've got one of our destroyers spawn center, so chances are pretty good. They've got one spawn center as well, and also one right in front of that unoccupied cap. Yeah, I'm just going to angle my planes towards B. I'm sure that's where we're going to find at least one, probably both of them. Squadrons detected. That's neat.
Enemy force sighted on the horizon.
Oh, there we go. Hey, this is why you keep it off when you remember it. I didn't remember it last game for the longest time. My AA was going off.
All forces provide cover for that target.
I think they're going to turn in. I bet I didn't cook that long enough. Ooh, we may have cooked her just right. We cooked at least one just right. Let's go. Okay. And the real nice thing about that is I caused flooding that they immediately had a damage con, and the gimmick with these guys is the fire set chance with the planes. So if I can get a lucky shot and maybe start a fire, that would be hugely beneficial. Oh, just about. That's a tough one.
Concentrate fire on the designated target.
One of my concern is that this torpedo boat is just gunning straight down the center for me, and nobody's helping me out with it. So that's really bad potentially. That could be good. Yes, that had better be good.
All stations.
Let's see
requesting fire on
about.
the designated target. I need help.
Nice work. Yep, yep, yep. There's the smoke they're gonna pop, and hopefully I can be out of their gun range.
Concentrate fire on the designated target.
Yep, yep, yep. I'm manually steering this around these islands because I know there's going to be torpedoes headed my way, and I'm hoping to be out of. I don't know how good the AI captain's going to know how to steer the boat, you know.
Fire on the designated target.
And now we've got a pretty good run on these guys. Okay, thank you for trying at least. Jeez. I think that's going to be a good one.
Fire on the designated target.
Yeah, so the bad guys team is going to lose both of their destroyers here in pretty short order. It's a bold strategy by this captain, but it's not going to work out.
Enemy destroyer sunk.
Okay, so now they're blind. They've lost both of their destroyers. Yep, let's go help them out. Oh, my cat is snoring behind me. I can hear it through my headset. Ooh. Okay. You're gonna turn it at me, which is unfortunate. I don't know if I aim that right. Yeah, I got one. One more ship. Yeah, just get that dropped. Wow, we might get a hit with that. That's pretty neat. No. No. Yep, pretty big shots. Pretty big shots. Hoping for a fire each time, but oof, these planes are fragile. And I'm engaged by fighters. Let's get something away. Yeah. Couple of tickles. Run out of planes, run out of planes. Whew. Yeah, so we have one on the right, it looks like. But we are currently losing ground here on the left. I don't know if I even want to go near that Kuma, because one more tickle from that battleship and she's all over. Yep, there we go. And now we have it. Now we have it.
Taken the lead.
Autopilot enabled.
Yeah, that's... What a nice ship. Aesthetically. The glare coming off the flight deck. Give me a break.
Autopilot disabled.
Oh, did I disable it? Oh, I'm such an idiot.
Autopilot enabled.
Yeah, just get him up there. Let's go, guys. Now it's just this battleship.
Taken the lead.
Good game, everybody. A lot of teamwork involved there. Gosh, this New York's in great shape, too. Wonderful, just before I run out of gas. Fire's still going. That's pretty cool. And it's not anymore. Look at the visuals.
Victory is in sight.
What if the background is, where two opposing forces fighting over control of these air bases? Ah, a little role play type stuff you can put in your own head. Fun. All right.
Ends in 5 minutes.
Slow torpedoes. But I caused flooding, and they're not going to shake that one, so that's cool. Good game. Towards the bottom, but we kind of had a duel of fates with that Farragut, I think it was. Whew, man, I'm glad I saw him. Probably thought he was going to sneak right up the center. Whew. Well, that's exactly what they thought. Thank goodness. That could have been real quick back to port had I not noticed. What should we do now? Should we do some low tier? You know what we're going to do? I'm going to bend the rules. We're going to hop into a mid-tier Omaha and have a whale of a game. I am sure of it. I am sure of it. We had some fun with the American Big Gun, so I only got enough time for maybe 1 or 2 more matches here today. Okay.
Battle starts.
Oh, I forgot to say good luck. You guys see that? My cat reached out to me. Okay. Anyways. We've got a flank, so we're going to hold it. There is a carrier in the game and 3 destroyers to contend with, but luckily we've got some activity on our flank here. So let's maybe... I'm kind of out on my lonesome here, though. I'm a little nervous.
All stations reporting the position of a strategic target.
Okay, we're contested, so there's definitely a destroyer in cap.
Enemy force detected.
Now I've been spotted. Now I'm being aimed at. So let's turn in because I'm there you are, Nicholas. Oh, way undercooked that. They turning out? Am I just big time goofing these shots up? Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Oof, ate one of those. It sucks.
All stations, concentrate fire on that target. I need intelligence data.
Okay, there you are, Visteris.
Concentrate fire.
You never know. And I got a fire started. That's really good. Did I undercook those? You know I did. Okay, good. Nice, nice, nice.
We've been spotted. All stations, concentrate fire on that target.
I'm showing a little too much broadside to a lot of folks. And I cannot afford to lose that now.
Fighter airborne. Problem solved, sir.
Yep, ate a Citadel. Someone's got a pretty good bead on me. There you are. I think I got you there. Okay.
Enemy destroyer foundered.
Whew. Ooh, 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 ooh. Tough game, tough game. Maybe? I don't know, I just kind of blind fired those.
Fighter returning to ship.
Some whiffs? Yeah, looks like. Some more whiffs, potentially. Not a good arc. This is kind of a desperate struggle. Maybe I should have swapped to HE. I'm not really doing much with these AP shells.
Nice work.
Nice, yeah.
Fighter airborne.
Didn't realize I was looking at the beach there for a second. Ugh. Nice work.
Attention. Reporting a target's position.
Not really doing much with these shells today.
resolved, sir.
A lot of shots go. Ooh. A lot of misses too.
Stations reporting the position of a strategic target.
I think I'm gonna go down here. Yeah. Man, I couldn't get good luck with those AP shells. I guess I was aiming at heavy cruisers the whole time, so that might explain it. Yeah, we've got total map control. It's just a matter of time here, it seems like, before we take this one. Complete map control.
Nice work.
Yep.
Do not let the enemy take the area.
Hey, Glacier's still alive. Nice shot.
Our team has taken the lead. Our victory is in sight.
All stations, concentrate fire on that target.
Wow, might get a sneaky-o torped. Oh, just before. Nope. Oh, wow. Right on the edge. Flooding the head to damage control party right away. Gosh, what a painful, slow slip and slide into the L column.
Battle ends in 5 minutes.
Did pretty well today. Opened up with a great game in the Wyoming. Then I had kind of an interesting game in that, I think it was the Akatsuki. And then the Hermes cleaned up. And that last one, I think. Yeah. Couldn't get a good bead. It's karma from that Wyoming game I had earlier. Bananas. Nice torpedo toss. There we go.
Nice work.
Yeah, nice shot. Good bomb drop. Watch these torpedoes come in. Look at both of the Fubuki and the Monahan here. Been knife fighting since they were born. Look at that HP. GG, guys. Wow. And then it's just a race. Yep. Who's gonna get there first? The Monahan's torps did it.
Nice work.
Wow. What if it was that Fubuki's gonna be there cracking to lose it by that much? I gotta see. That would be bad luck. No, thankfully. Yeah, middle of the road. Nice. Well, gang, I actually got to head early. Let's see what we got in our crates here. Neat. The commander. Wow, 3-1 today. Awesome, friends. And on that note, I have been Captain Party Pants, signing off for now.